like to trap and harass women in this room? You do.
If you are an evil being and a malevolent source, can you ring that bell 2 times in a row, or if you consider yourself malevolent?
2. That's 2. Would you are you going to follow Stephanie?
Yes, I will.
Told you he would. Okay. Yep. Do you like Stephanie? Like, as a woman that you would trap and harass? Please ring that bell. If you do. Okay. I understand. Are you attracted to, not really attracted, but would you fancy trapping men as well, like you trap women?
It's only because he answers you.
Yeah. So Elijah, do you want to trap anybody that you can get your hands on, that you feel is, what's that word? Able to, kinda. Would you want to trap them and harass them? Would you want to trap?
It's me, I'm here.
Yes, I know it's you, Elijah. I know you're here. Are you glad I'm talking to you again, like I did downstairs?